Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to change Wi-Fi network on Schlage Reconnect Encode and Encode Plus step by step. To change the Wi-Fi network on your Schlage open the Schlage Home app on your smartphone and while in Bluetooth range of your door, go to lock settings. From there, select Wi-Fi settings and then tap select different network to enter your new Wi-Fi credentials. Here is the step-by-step guide to follow. First, make sure you are standing near your lock so your phone connects via Bluetooth. Step 1. Open the Schlage Home app on your mobile device. Step 2. Navigate to your lock and tap the three dots present next to its name. Step 3. Select lock settings from the menu. Step 4. Then tap on Wi-Fi settings. Step 5. Now select different network. Step 6. From there, choose your new Wi-Fi network from the list. Step 7. Now enter your Wi-Fi password. Step 8. And press Connect Wi-Fi. Here are some important troubleshooting tips to follow. Password limits. Ensure your Wi-Fi password is 24 characters or less and does not contain any unsupported special characters like the dollar or and sign or blank spaces. Network frequency. Schlage locks are generally compatible only with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Connection issues. If your lock shows up as unreachable, try restarting it by removing and inserting the batteries. You can also press and hold the black reset button inside the battery cover for a few seconds to reset the Wi-Fi module. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.